What is this damn guitar going to be?
I don't know, but I'm recording.
What? Hi. There's a neck. There's a neck. Too many words. Fair enough. Okay, we good?
So that's the framing.
I'm happy. Need to get rid of the downlight. My boobs are too big in this. You can go if you want.
Okay.
I'll do the B-roll and stuff. You've got editing to do. Is your phone on? Could you put your phone on
Airplane mode.
airplane mode? That's the one.
Where's your phone?
Behind me, charging on airplane mode.
Okay.
I'm a professional, me. What was that laugh about? Good. Welcome to Crimson Guitars and welcome to a new build series, you fantastic people. All right, this is a guitar that was commissioned a while ago and I've been scared of, quite frankly. It involved the words bending, which is cool, and wenge, mooshed together. And these things do not want to be mooshed at all, quite frankly. Luckily, sanity has prevailed and we're actually just creating it out of Padauk Flame Maple, Flame Purple Heart, Shisugi Bun Purple Heart, and oh yes, of course, the most beautiful tops I've ever seen in my life, ever. A stunning bird's eye maple top. So right off the bat, we've actually broken one of my prime rules. Every guitar should be three different species of wood, 4 at most. We're kind of pushing on 5 here, but still, it is going to be stunning. All right, you have been asking me for an acoustic build forever. I did the Nebula guitar, which is an interesting electroacoustic-y type thing, and Nebula 2.0 is coming soon. In fact, after this build. I've got a lot of guitars on at the moment. It's coming soon, and we are going to film the whole process of that one as well. This one is much closer to an ES335 style build, but with my design, basically. And the guitar is called Reason, because reasons. That wasn't funny. Was that funny? It wasn't funny, no. The guitar is called Reason, because it is. So, 335 style, bench sides in flame maple, possibly there has been discussion of a modern radius carve on the front and the back, although I'm not entirely sure about that right now. And there will be some sort of system underneath the bridge to hold it straight and solid and stable. But yeah, it is going to be an incredibly interesting guitar. And well, design-wise, I'm really looking forward to it. Let's get a close-up. I need something cool to point with. So here is the guitar. We've got an angled humbucker, and here's the guitar as it was originally designed, shall we say. Angled humbucker, we'll custom wind this in-house and it'll have a custom surround and stuff. Couple of singles. It is there's too many interesting things going on. Instead of standard volume pots, we're going to use mixing desk style linear pots to keep with the line motif, as it were. Another Hans bridge, so that's going to make 2 guitars in a row that I've built with one of them. I do like them, I really do like them. And the sound holes are this multitude of holes. I'm looking up at the camera and the camera's not looking up at me, so why am I doing that? Anyway, shape-wise, it's the same sort of thing that I do fairly regularly, offset, single cut type beastie. And the inlays are, well, going up to the 12th and across. And it's going to be an interesting build. From your point of view, the most interesting bit about it, though, what is more interesting, though, is the fact that it is going to be built along the lines of a standard acoustic guitar. So we will have bent sides. I'm going to be doing it in a mold or around a mold. I'm not sure if I'm going violin maker's style, which is an internal mold, or acoustic guitar builder's style, which is an external mold. I don't know. And I was going to make the decision there and then, but I still don't know. Bent sides. I could steam bend them the way I normally do using a bending jig, or I could build a steam pipe and just flood that, and which isn't a method I've used before, which is a very good reason to do a tutorial on how to do something, having no experience in it whatsoever. It makes for an interesting video, what can I say? And then I have also never done or even conceived of doing such an extreme modern radius carve drop top style thing on an acoustic type build. So that's going to require another jig, a radius sanding jig, etc. So it is going to be a fun build, to say the least. Video wise, I am going to be using this as fodder for the tutorials and the minitorials that are going to be coming through on our YouTube channel twice a week. You will get a lot of footage and a lot of different style videos in it. So the minitorial is a 3 or 4 minute, oh, I'm doing this on this build. Here's how you make kerfing, for example, or a more in-depth tutorial on how I make, well, how I thickness sides, for example, or a particular jig that I'm using on the build. And then there will just be the odd video where you're just following along, and we'll see where it takes us. So watch the channel, keep your eyes open. Any video in this series will have the word reason in it, and it will be in a special playlist, all of its very own. We've got far too many playlists on the Crimson YouTube channel. Anyway, please comment below if you like the design. Please comment if you don't like the design. Please comment. It's all good. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'm sure there's ways to follow playlists, etc. And consider supporting our Patreon, because that way you get even more videos on a weekly basis. So there we go. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being amazing people. I will see you soon. Well, I mean, you can just click the next video and you can see me. That feels weird. Weirdo. Yeah. Bye.